After months of radio silence, the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro has finally made its grand debut. No teasers, no official previews, just an unexpected real-world sighting straight from the streets of China. And this isn't just some blurry, low-quality leak. This scoop comes from the trusted leaker, Jasper Ellens, through Drone XL. With such credible sources backing it up, this news definitely carries some weight. It looks like DJI is actively testing the Mini 5 Pro, and all signs point to a potential release in the summer of 2025. But let's rewind a bit. The first leak appeared back in December, and even then, the Mini 5 Pro had a distinct new look. The motors on this prototype appear beefier compared to the Mini 4 Pro, and as we know, larger motors usually mean more power, which often leads to a fresh redesign. So it's safe to say, DJI might be giving the Mini 5 Pro a much-needed overhaul. But here's the million-dollar question. Can they manage to keep the weight under 250 grams? That's been the hallmark of the Mini series. The ultra-lightweight design has kept it under the radar in many countries, avoiding those pesky registration requirements. With the new, beefier motors and a potentially larger camera sensor, we're left wondering if DJI will still manage to stay within this crucial weight limit. There's also something new and intriguing about this prototype: prop guards. We haven't seen these before, and while they might just be there for testing, it raises the question, could they be a permanent accessory for the Mini 5 Pro? Now, let's talk upgrades. The Mini 5 Pro may look similar to its predecessor at first glance, but there's one noticeable difference that could change the game for many drone enthusiasts: a rumored 1-inch camera sensor. If true, this would be a major leap from the Mini 4 Pro's 1.3-inch sensor, offering better low-light performance, greater dynamic range, and improved image clarity. For content creators and drone photographers, that upgrade alone could make the Mini 5 Pro an incredibly attractive choice. Another standout feature? The gimbal. Reports suggest it will continue supporting vertical shooting, much like the Mini 4 Pro, which is fantastic news for social media creators. This feature ensures you can shoot stunning vertical videos without cropping them later, ideal for platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Let's dive into the rumored specs. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to have an impressive 25-kilometer flight range and a whopping 50-minute battery life, up from the Mini 4 Pro's 34 minutes. These improvements would make the Mini 5 Pro even more appealing to professionals who need extended flight times for capturing complex shots or covering large areas. But wait, there's more. The Mini 5 Pro could also come with advanced obstacle avoidance sensors, including LiDAR, although there's no clear evidence of LiDAR in the leaked images. The presence of dual vision sensors and additional navigation sensors suggests DJI is gearing up for some serious upgrades in this area. These could help the Mini 5 Pro avoid obstacles more efficiently, making it smarter and more reliable for autonomous flight. Speaking of intelligent features, another exciting rumor is that the Mini 5 Pro might include onboard audio recording capabilities. This could open up a new dimension for post-production sound syncing or even capture environmental sounds during flight. Perfect for creators looking to add depth to their videos. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 5 Pro seems set to be a substantial upgrade, boasting enhanced image quality, longer battery life, smarter AI features, and even possible new features like audio recording. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, the Mini 5 Pro could become the go-to drone for hobbyists, content creators, and professionals alike. What do you think? Would these upgrades convince you to pick up the Mini 5 Pro when it hits the market? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below.